The latest iteration of the Samsung League, known as the Galaxy S24 series, has been unveiled. This release includes official renders, specifications, official wallpapers, and other noteworthy features. Upon examining the design of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, it is evident that it possesses a very flat appearance. This Samsung flagship is the first to use titanium sides, which enhances the phone's lightweight, luxury, and durable qualities. The camera arrangement has resemblance to that of the S23 Ultra, with one notable modification. Samsung has replaced the periscope zoom with a novel tip prism zoom lens, which bears a striking resemblance to the camera setup of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. What was the reason for this change to a tetra prism zoom? The zoom capability has been reduced from 10x to a 5x optical zoom. The sensor has been upgraded to a larger size with a wider aperture, allowing it to capture more light compared to the sensor used in the previous year. Thanks to the tetra prism design, Samsung can incorporate their advanced image stabilization technology into its zoom sensor, similar to Apple, resulting in highly stabilized zoom shots. Presented are the official color options for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which are also shared by the S24 and S24 Plus models. To clarify, titanium will be exclusively available on the Galaxy S24 Ultra Dell model. Samsung has made a significant modification to the interior cooling chamber of the S24 Ultra. The current model features a vapor cooling chamber that is 1.9 times larger than the previous generation. This ensures that the overclocked Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 performs to its maximum capacity on the Ultra variant. In addition, the cooling chamber on the S24 Plus has been increased by a factor of 1.6 compared to the S23 Plus, and on the regular S24, it has been increased by a factor of 1.5 compared to last year's S23. Equipped with an enhanced and expanded cooling chamber, the Galaxy S24 series will achieve optimal performance and maintain it for an extended duration. Presenting the specifications for the Galaxy S24, S24 Ultra, and S24 Plus. It is worth mentioning that the S24 Ultra and S24 Plus now come with 12 GB of RAM, while the vanilla S24 model only has 8 GB of RAM. Finally, we present the potentially official or highly similar wallpapers for the S24 series. These were created, so without being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.